figure out what's going on. And I know you talk about a part about your emotions too. I believe that
Mhm.
so
Yeah.
wholeheartedly that you could be stressing out about something and those things can happen. Or contributors of it, whatever the case may
You
be.
mentioned,
Emotions are,
yeah, you mentioned trauma,
yeah.
and remember a moment ago I talked about that factor between 60 and 100%,
Yes,
right?
yes,
That's where trauma comes in.
yeah,
Emotional disturbance that has
yep,
gone all the way to trauma tends to be
yes,
where we get stuck. And
yes.
so when I was doing my doctorate paper, I did my doctorate paper on bioenergetics, using
Mhm.
bioenergetics um, in the process of developing protocols for
Right.
patients. And one of the studies that I quoted was a study where they evaluated a group of people that
Hmm.
had gone through a really super stressful, traumatic period. Maybe death of a loved one, maybe,
Right.
really painful divorce, that sort of thing. And the
Hmm.
people that were able to process that and sort of move through it and move on with their life without getting really like angry and resentful and having it
Right.
just consume them, they were
Right.
fine. But
Right.
the ones that really couldn't get past it, a
Hmm.
super high percentage of those people ended up developing cancer.
Yeah. I
And
am
so,
total
yeah,
agreement. Total
yeah,
agreement. Total agreement with that. Everyone that and we see these examples in our families and friends. I've seen friends have like this traumatic experience. One woman I knew, her husband went to jail for, I think, assaulting a child, and immediately she developed breast cancer and just
mm,
died, and she was really young.
oh,
She
yeah,
never
that's
had
sad.
no inkling of nothing. It was she was
Yeah,
holding it in, and she was
yeah,
trying to deal with it, and nobody was there for her. And I
yeah,
saw her just like deteriorate before my
yeah,
eyes, and she
yeah,
developed breast cancer, and then it
yeah,
spread all over her body within
yeah,
6 months.
yeah, yeah,
So I've seen that happen. I've seen that happen with so many. You talk about that word stuck. I use that word all the time. Stuck, stuck, stuck. If you're stuck, you're
yeah.
stuck here. You have to, it's like getting rid of a blood clot, wouldn't you say? You
Yeah.
have to do
Yeah,
some
and it
work.
honestly is not that different, right? And
Right.
the you've got to have somebody that you can work with. So
Hmm.
there's only so much I can do. I can give people support to help
Right.
them like
Right.
soothe that emotional kind of stuckness, but you're
Right.
going to need some professional support